On this episode of AtlantiCast, see how Atlantic Health System is helping more pediatric patients than ever before. Find out how you can avoid getting the flu this year, and meet one of the most influential leaders in healthcare. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis, and welcome to AtlantiCast. Atlantic Health System is opening new doors to make it easier for patients to access care. First, Goryeb Children's Hospital recently opened a newly expanded Joan and Edward Foley Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. Also known as a PICU, the highly specialized facility is now double the size of the original space and can care for more than a dozen critically ill or injured children. Second, patients in Somerset County now have a new place to receive care in an ambulatory setting. Thanks to a partnership with Hunterdon Healthcare, physical and occupational therapy, advanced imaging, and ambulatory surgery are all available in this Bridgewater facility on Route 22. To learn more about how these locations are making it easier for you to access Atlantic Health's award-winning clinical care, visit AtlanticHealth.org. One of the nation's leading influencers in healthcare is right here in New Jersey. Atlantic Health System President and CEO Brian Granulotti was recently named to Modern Healthcare's 2019 list of the 100 most influential people in healthcare. Modern Healthcare recognized Brian for his commitment to expanding patient access to the highest quality care and for his national leadership through his board chairmanship role at the American Hospital Association. Congratulations to Brian on this recognition for his work to advance care nationwide. Atlantic Health System's Morristown Medical Center is nationally recognized for its cardiology program, and it recently expanded its sports cardiology and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy program thanks to the addition of Dr. Matthew Martinez. Dr. Martinez is the medical director of sports cardiology at Atlantic Health System and will help innovate research and develop projects to improve care for athletes and patients who have HCM, which is a hereditary medical condition where the walls of the heart become excessively thick. Dr. Martinez is the cardiologist for the New York Jets, Major League Soccer, and the National Basketball Association's Players Association, and also does work with the National Football League and National Hockey League. To learn more about how this will benefit athletes at all levels, visit AtlanticHealth.org. This time of year is often known as the season of giving, but there's one contagious gift you'd rather not get: the flu. Dr. Scott Lauder, Chief Medical Officer of Atlantic Medical Group, has some tips if you join the 8% of Americans who the CDC says come down with the flu each year. First up, if you or a loved one are showing signs of the flu, get to the doctor. Early treatment can minimize symptoms. Children under 6, adults over 65, and those pregnant or anyone with diabetes, asthma, COPD, heart disease, or stroke should take extra care. You can read more at our website, AtlanticHealth.org. Atlantic Health System's Morristown Medical Center is treating patients in a new Phase 2 clinical trial to fight cancer. The CAR-T cell therapy uses a patient's own immune cells to fight their cancer. Morristown Medical Center is one of just a small handful of sites across the U.S. participating in the trial. In CAR-T, immune cells are removed from a patient's blood and altered to make them better at fighting cancer before putting them back into the patient's blood. Check out more about this exciting new study into the treatment of lymphoma at our website, AtlanticHealth.org. Atlantic Health System is pleased to announce the latest effort to bring home health services to its patients. Atlantic Visiting Nurse will support patients throughout the entire care continuum as they move from one setting to the next. The new partnership is the result of Atlantic Home Care and Hospice and the Visiting Nurse Association of Somerset Hills joining into one organization. Atlantic Health System and the New York Jets teamed up recently to give an 11-year-old boy a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Ethan Geller was diagnosed with brain cancer at 7 years old, but with the help of the team at Goryeb Children's Hospital, he's now cancer-free. Inspired by Ethan's strength and courage, the Jets recently honored Ethan with an honorary role as captain before their game this season against the Dallas Cowboys. You can see more of Ethan's story, thanks to CBS and the Jets, at our website, AtlanticHealth.org. You're watching AtlantiCast, health news from our network to your screen.